Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are super and staying at home. I miss you all. So, I am here to discuss your favorite topic. What is this? Today's topic is rhymes. Okay? Today we will discuss about a rhymes. The title of our rhymes is Early to Bed. The title of our rhymes is Early to Bed. Okay? Let's start the rhymes. You all try to follow me. Okay? Let's start. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Okay? If you all sleep early in the night and wake up early in the morning, you will be healthy, wealthy and wise. Okay? Always remember it. That's all for today. You all stay at home, stay safe and take care. Keep practicing. Always send your feedback. Okay? Bye.